Ndereti yege mwerekera uria bururi ukoya kumana na kuhagikwo kwa igoti ria VAT indo-ini cia Maguta ironeka guthii na mbere kurituhira thirikari undu umwe na President Kenyatta. Kuona mang'etha iri na kiriga gia kurugamia kana kurekereria watho uyu uthii na mbere na kurutithio wira.
Of resources.
Mutafariri wa mihang'o ministry-ini ya kigina Nelson Gaichuhie ari mbere ya kamiti ya Senate igi hinya wa kuhuthika. Ugite kwa ihinda riri no marathii na mbere kwaraniria na honge itiganite cia thirikari. Niguo gwetha mwerekera wa ndeto ino gukwa githing'iririo gutariria gitumi gia thirikari kurutithia igoti riri wira.
Or is it that we have borrowed too much that unless we tax Kenyans we are going to be mortgaging our entire country to China and the other companies or other countries or what?
Now you borrowed for 5-6 years. Now the impact is to milk the poor man to the blood. What would be your policy, or what as treasurer are you changing in terms of your borrowing policy to protect mwananchi?
We also have to look at both ways. Yeah? When we say this, we also have to look at the other side. So we believe that VAT on petroleum, if the law is changed, will stop. But if it's not, then it will continue.
So again, it's a give and take, unless Treasury agrees to create a special subsidy for that. As a regulator, we will implement it.
Agitetera thirikari Gaichuhie ugite kurugamia kwa watho uyu kungitiga bururi na ithenya inene ria kuihuria budget-ini uria ungicungiriria kurugamia kwa mitaratara itiganite ya guthii wa nambere.
Why we taxing is because we need to improve on our infrastructure, the ports, the roads, airports, security. We have free education. We have universal health care. All those projects will be affected one way or the other.
Kuringana na Gaichuhie thirikari ni gukorwo igicurania njira ingi cia kungania kigina otiga kuongerera magoti. Kuria ateaneirie riboti ati mamurikite kungania muigana wa bilioni 70 kumana na igoti riri.
Our figure as treasury is 35 billion, not 70. 70 is in the media.
You have reduced the budget of the judiciary by a huge portion. You want to tell me 35 billion? If that is indeed true, Bwana CS, you cannot be able to raise 35 billion.
Maya mahanikite uriri cira uria minista wa kigina na murugamiri munene wa ruhonge rwa kuramata thogora wa maguta ERC mathitangitwo uthire na mbere igoti-ini inene ria Kisumu kuria mucirithania Fred Ochieng' athanire cira ucio guthikiririo guku Nairobi. Iria mathitangitwo na kwagarara watho igoti hau kabere kuria mathiitwo kweheria VAT ino ya maguta. Guku ministry ya kigina ikioneka kwa kuruta mwihoko wa naihenya kuri Akenya hari kunyihia garama ya muturire kumana na kweherio kwa igoti ria VAT indo-ini cia maguta. Riu Akenya meguthii na mbere kuhocia mwihoko wa hari President Kenyatta. Riri thiku ciake gwikira kirore mutaratara wa watho wa kurugamia igoti riri ironeka kuinekirira. Ngiribotera Kameme TV. Jitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.